Hi, this is Rajul. So I'm just going to explain about our application called DishCuss. So let's enter the application. First, when you enter into the application, you can see various intro screens, and then where you can see our app features and everything. Once you click Get Started, you can just sign in with the Google or enter your email or password. And then once you are getting signed in with your email, you'll get signed up. So I have an already signed up account up here. So you have a lot of posts which has been you can see up here, which is an earlier post. We just used it for testing purposes right now. So we can also add posts by clicking the plus icon, and then you can just add which community you can. You just need to um, add, and then once you add the community, you can click on the pictures you can add and post the title, and then you can just give your own review. And our review has its own character limit function, so each person who are posting review has their own character limit, so it's easy for them. So I'm just typing new Thai place in the town, and then adding some emojis into it. So once I add emojis, let's go to the review where I'm going to have a detailed review. If you want, you can have a detailed review, or if you want to make it as a short, you can just make it a short review. So once I done with the review, our review has 500 limits of characters. So and then you can add the location and the menu link. You can click it optional. So once you click post, it gets post up here in the main page where you can see there's a new post which has been posted myself. And then once your post is done, and then you can just go to the profile view and see the post where like similar to Instagram feature where you can long press and see it. So you can also see the profile view. So I will just later explain the profile views accordingly. Next, you go to the search view. Once you go to the search view, you can I mean you have mini map function with the Apple Maps integrated into it. So you can also search for pizzas where you can talk about the post results and then map results and everything, and then see you can see the nearby pizza locations up here. So you can just head to the nearest pizza locations and you can see. And then you can also go to I mean you can also filter it by with image or sort relevances and then with the community and everything. So and then if you want just wanting the map results, you can also do the map results accordingly. And then the discussion page, you can see like people are discussing about the pizzas over the nearby the pizza shops, and then you can also redirect the map using the Apple Maps functions. And then once you're done, you can search for the Thai places. So I just added a new place for the Thai, right? So that is the result by new Thai places in the town. So you can also review those posts, and then you can also see nearby Thai restaurants, our location. Then heading down to the post, and you can also search like what kind of post, any post or any places nearby, so you can also see the places. You can easily filter it out in our application, so you don't doesn't need to click on each and every place if it's good or not. You can just go and see it. Then moving on to the community, you can add or create a community, and then you can also join or unjoin a community, and you can also filter it by uh, joined community or unjoined community, so it's easy for you to make it filter out if you want.
So here we are looking at the communities tab where if I click a community, I can see all of the posts. So we are back to the home page. Here, let's say I click and go to the notification tab. Here is I can see the live notification or alerts about post. Then I go back and I'm using another phone here to show you guys the live notification tracking. So here using another phone, I've texted myself a comment. Now I'm replying to that very said comment. Now after this, I'll go back to the home page. This can happen real time too. We are doing this just to showcase the alerts field. Here the live alert came, and as you can see from using the other phone, we have upvoted the comment. Moving on to the profile page, here we see multiple reviews, saved reviews, and following subreddits or communities. And this is after this we go to our profile section. We can see our here we can edit all of our profile details, and we go to settings later. Here we see like regular notification maps, emails, appearance, privacy policy terms and supplies. And later we log out and go to login page, and we log in using Gmail, and we are back to the home page. Moving on to the Firebase, this is where all of our main stuff is happening. So moving to the Firestore, here is where we store all the data in NoSQL format. We have three collections: communities, posts, and users. Community, each collections has a different document showcasing each one. Here, let's see a document inside communities. This is a community showcasing a post. I mean, showcasing about the community. And let's move on to the user, which has a document showcasing about the person's username, post count, total karma, comment count, profile image URL, bio, their full name, and the date they have created the account. So let's move on and check other user documents. And this is where we can see different comment count, post count, and total karma. Now moving to the post documents, here we can see multiple, I mean post collections, and here we can see multiple documents showcasing each posts, like with an unique author ID, author name, how many comments they got, community ID, community name created, location link, review text, and the title and vote count, all of the details that a general post requires. And like here we see other posts as well. Moving on to the storage, this is where we store our like images in WebP format. And yeah, and we use smart links to access the like images instead of in phone locally, instead of every time downloading or loading through like regularly. And here authentication, we have used Firebase for Google and regular email to log in into the application. And then yeah, that's it. Thank you. You have a good one.